Hello, my dear viewers. This is Professor Arunachalam here once again for Sairam Academy. So, today's task on hand is to know whether a journal is indexed with MEDLINE or not, because MEDLINE is a very standard indexing body apart from Scopus and uh, Web of Science. In fact, it is by convention called as PubMed index journals, but in actual it is a Medline index journals. PubMed is merely a search engine or search tool to browse through the Medline. Medline is the actual indexing body. Uh, so we'll see this. For example, if you're reading an article like this and you're finding about the journal here, the Journal of back musculoskeletal rehabilitation, just go and left click on this particular journal here, because you will get these three options. In this, go to the search in NLM category. Okay, so NLM is nothing but National Library of Medicine. Here you will get this list of information. What is this journal, when this journal started, whether this is a bi-monthly or a quarterly, or what are the ISSN numbers, and this will also lead you directly to the electronic link of the journal where you can go, and this will be the authentic website of that particular journal, so you can avoid predatory journals by this. And what are the mesh terminologies which will surface this particular the journal is back pain, bone disease, commonest, which is the highest five best mesh terminologies which can well define this particular journal. Okay, what is most important here is this journal is in Medline. It is in Medline since 2009, and there is no other left, because it is still currently it is also in Medline. You can see this is 2009 too, and it is left alone. In some journals you can see it is listed from 2009 to 2018. That means they are no more with the Medline. So this journal is indexed with Medline, and you can very well go with this particular journal. While searching in this NLM category, you have to be very careful in putting up the title abbreviation. If you directly go and type this, for example, Journal of Back and Musculoskeletal Rehabilitation, I'm just copying it directly and pasting it here, and I'm searching. You will get lot of results, probably two. You got two here, but when I search physiotherapy, you can see I search as physiotherapy, I'll get so much of journals list here. If you type the abbreviations given for the particular journal, then you will get the um, journal directly without giving a list of journals. So what I normally do for this is I go and type that with the abbreviation. The abbreviation, you can take it from this already published journals. Every journal has their own abbreviations. So with this, we come to a conclusion of this presentation, and I hope you can identify all the three website journals indexing bodies through this series of videos. Thank you so much. Have a great day.